Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Apple's first OLED MacBooks near launch as Samsung boosts panel production. Apple is moving closer to debuting its first OLED MacBook Pro, with mass production of specialized panels now underway at Samsung Display. Samsung has reportedly kicked off its 8.6 generation OLED line, designed specifically to meet Apple's stringent requirements for brightness, power efficiency, and longevity. This transition from mini LED to OLED promises deeper blacks, faster response times, and improved battery life for future laptops. Analysts expect the first OLED-equipped MacBook models to hit the market by late 2026, marking a significant hardware milestone for Apple's premium computing lineup. Google to power next-gen Siri. Sundar Pichai's deputy confirms major Apple deal. In a significant industry shift, Google Cloud lead Thomas Kurian confirmed that Apple's next-gen Siri will utilize Google's infrastructure and TPUs for its most intensive AI tasks. While Apple handles on-device processing via Apple Intelligence, Google has secured preferred partner status for cloud-based generative features. This collaboration highlights Apple's reliance on Google's massive compute power to remain competitive in the AI race. The deal solidifies a multi-billion-dollar partnership, ensuring Siri can leverage advanced LLMs while maintaining the high-speed performance required for global users. Microsoft unveils AI content marketplace to pay publishers for data. Microsoft has launched a new AI content marketplace, a platform designed to bridge the gap between AI developers and content creators. The marketplace allows publishers and media houses to license their archives and real-time feeds directly to AI companies for model training and RAG, retrieval augmented generation, purposes. By creating a transparent, paid ecosystem, Microsoft aims to resolve ongoing copyright tensions and data scraping disputes. This move ensures high-quality, verified data for more accurate AI outputs while providing a sustainable revenue stream for the journalism and publishing industries. Oppo Reno 15C, now available in India, pricing, specs, and launch details. The Oppo Reno 15C has officially gone on sale in India today, February 5, 2026. Positioned as a stylish mid-ranger, the device starts at R34,000 and is available via Amazon, Flipkart, and major retail outlets. It features the stunning 1.5K curved AMOLED display and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 80x50 Star Speed Edition. Aimed at photography enthusiasts, it boasts a sophisticated 50-MP main camera and advanced AI editing tools. With 80 WWI SuperView OC charging and a sleek, ultra-slim design, it offers a premium experience at a competitive price. Oppo Mass layoffs at Washington Post. Amazon beat reporter fired amid turmoil. The Washington Post has initiated significant layoffs, impacting numerous veteran journalists, including the reporter covering its owner's company, Amazon. Despite the paper's financial struggles, billionaire owner Jeff Bezos has remained largely silent, drawing criticism from staff regarding the outlet's future direction. The cuts come amid declining digital subscriptions and a shifting media landscape. This internal crisis highlights growing tensions between newsroom editorial independence and corporate management as employees demand more transparency and a clear strategy to navigate the publication's mounting deficit. Bharat Taxi launches. A government-backed challenger to Uber and Ola India has officially launched Bharat Taxi, a new ride-hailing platform designed to disrupt the duopoly of Uber and Ola.
Operating on a government-backed cooperative model, the service aims to offer lower commission for drivers and more transparent pricing for commuters. Unlike private aggregators, Bharat Taxi focuses on a zero commission structure, charging only a nominal platform fee to sustain operations. Integrated with the ONDC network, the initiative seeks to empower local taxi unions and provide a reliable, cost-effective alternative for urban mobility across major Indian cities. Today's iTool is VexHub, the ultimate engine for faceless video automation. VexHub is a specialized AI platform tailored for the faceless creator economy, enabling entrepreneurs to dominate TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels at scale. It automates the entire production workflow, from scriptwriting to sync, stock footage, and punchy captions without requiring on-camera presence. Standout features include its unique SMS to video generator for viral chat stories and MP3 to video for converting podcasts into social clips. Designed for speed and high volume output, VexHub empowers users to build profitable automation channels with minimal daily effort. Our lead story is about Google Teased Pixel 10a, a powerful lower-cost AI smartphone. Google has officially teased the Pixel 10a, confirming it will launch on February 18, 2026. Aimed at budget-conscious consumers in markets like India, the A-series edition features a refreshed design with a flush dual-camera setup instead of the traditional raised visor. Powered by the Tensor G4 chipset and Gemini Nano, it brings flagship AI capabilities like Circle to Search and Gemini Live to a more accessible price point. The launch marks a strategic move to capture market share ahead of upcoming rival releases from Apple and Samsung. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.